Good morning, everyone. There is not too much time left before Christmas, so I wanted to give you a few more gift ideas for the gardeners on your holiday gift giving list. So first up, I am wearing Farmer's Defense sleeves. I love these things. So as you can see, they have a hole for your thumb so that your hand is protected, and excuse how dirty they look, they're actually clean. It's just I use them that much that probably white isn't the best color for me. But anyway, they go all the way up your arm. There is elastic up here that keeps the Farmer's Defense sleeve up here, and then it protects your skin. Now, I will tell you that there were a couple times when I was out working in the garden, and I know for a fact that I did not get poison ivy because I was wearing these. I just recently started getting poison ivy, and that's miserable. So anyway, these guys have saved me from poison ivy. They've saved me from scrapes, from brambles, and they are perfect for when you're harvesting things like tomatoes and cucumbers and squash and those types of plants that really irritate skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. I think any gardener on your list would really appreciate these Farmer's Defense garden sleeves, and they have like all sorts of designs and colors and all sorts of fun stuff. So the next item on my list is this photo saver box, and instead of using it for photos, your gardener will use this for organizing their seeds. I got this one on super sale at Michael's earlier this holiday season. I think it was about $17. And the full price at Michael's is a little more expensive, or actually, I think that was like 50% off. Anyway, I will put an Amazon link down below of a very similar item. You open it up, and there are all of these photo cases that you can organize your seeds in. You can do it by color, or you can get ones that just are all the clear or just one color inside. I kind of like the rainbow colors because then you could color coordinate a little bit. So this one in particular is for my native plants. So like this whole thing is full of native plant seeds. Okay, so in here I have my prairie moon seeds and things like that. Anyway, 'tis the season to be organizing your seeds, and so your gardener will love to sit down, organize their seeds with one of these, and be ready for the spring. The next item on my list is a book, and this is for specifically your native plant enthusiasts. This book is called Growing and Propagating Wildflowers. The author is Harry R. Phillips. Okay, I have used this book so much. This book has been just super valuable for me to propagate my native plants by cuttings, by seed. It tells you how to collect the seed. This literally is probably one of my most used books in my gardening library. So again, this is Growing and Propagating Wildflowers by Harry R. Phillips. It is literally just chocked full of the best information your native plant gardener will ever want. Okay, so if there's one, actually, you know what I'm gonna say? If there is one thing you get your native plant gardener this holiday season, get them this book. They will love this book. The next item on my list is a little Dickies tool belt. I think I saw this on, I think her name is Nicole from Flower Hill Farm. She had one of these, and so I got one. I really, really like it. It's tough. It's durable. I stick my cell phone in here so I can listen to my podcast while I garden. I put my hori hori knife in here. I have my pens and some other things that I can put in here. So this is really great durable, hefty duty little tool belts that your gardener can wear around the garden. And again, like with all the stuff that I've shown you in this video and last video, they are well used. So anyways, here you go. This is a Dickies tool belt. And the last item on my list for today is more of a stocking stuffer, and I am going to put pictures up on the screen, and of course everything will be linked down below, but they are markers that you can label your plants outside, and that label will not wash off over the winter. I'm telling you, do not get your gardener's Sharpies. That washes off over the winter. You need a paint pen. And then there's also another garden pen that my cousin bought for me that also worked as well. So I'm going to link both of those items down below. Trust me, I took mine somewhere and I don't have them, and I've been a little bit worried about some of the things that I've potted up over the past couple weeks. Okay guys, those are my 5 gift ideas for the gardeners on your gift giving list this holiday season. I did another video with 5 other gift ideas, and I will link it here. Go check it out. I really think that my idea with the Moleskine notebooks was just fantastic. So I highly recommend you go ahead and check that out. I will also link to my latest video about moving inkberries and planting huckleberries, just a little fall gardening project I did. You can still garden, you can still do things outside. I will be out there doing stuff until that ground is hard and frozen. And if I can ask you a favor before you do anything else, I would love it if you could go and subscribe to my channel if this is content that appeals to you. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will catch you again next time.